Hi, welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geeta's Kitchen. Our last 2 days in Spain was spent in Madrid, the capital of Spain. Join us while we explore the streets of Madrid, learning of its history, culture, food, and traditions. Madrid has the double distinction of being not only the capital but also the largest city in Spain. The city has almost 3.3 million inhabitants and a metropolitan population of approximately 6.5 million. It is the third largest city in the European Union. Madrid is the European city with the highest number of trees and green surface per inhabitant, and it has the second highest number of aligned trees in the world, with 248,000 units, only exceeded by Tokyo. In the city, underground highway tunnels help reduce traffic congestion. There are 4 major tunnels in Madrid. We are on M30, which is 32.5 km or about 20 miles. It is an orbital motorway that circles central districts of Madrid. The name Madrid comes from the Arabic magerit, which means place of many streams. Lying on the River Manzanares in the center of both the country and the Community of Madrid, the city is about 700 meters above sea level. Madrid is home for the largest university in Spain and as well as the oldest universities in the world, the Complutense University of Madrid. We booked an apartment on Calle De San Bernado, which is in the middle of the city and walkable to most of the attractions. After dropping our luggage in the apartment, we went out and had lunch and started to explore the city. Our first stop was at the Plaza Mayor, the main square, a major public space in the heart of Madrid. The Plaza Mayor is rectangular in shape and highlights the uniformity of the architecture. In the center of the square stands a bronze statue of Philip III, King of Spain and Portugal, on a horse, which was placed in the plaza in 1848. The Gran Via is one of the liveliest streets in Madrid and has a spectacular nightlife. This street is lined with thousands of shops, bars, restaurants, cafes, and so much more. It is also filled with so many beautiful buildings showcasing Madrid's early 20th century revival architecture. There are so many things to see and do in Gran Via.
Fuerte el aplauso para Mateus.
With the thousands of people that visit this place at night, this place is bustling with so much life that it seems like it never sleeps. December 30th, 2018, last day in Spain. We are ready to explore the city. On the way to visit Royal Palace, we stopped to have a delicious breakfast. The Armory Square or Plaza de la Armeria is a square in Madrid that is among the Almudena Cathedral and the south facade of the Royal Palace. Almudena Cathedral is a Catholic church in Madrid. This beautiful church is right next to the Royal Palace of Madrid, a place to worship Virgin Mary. This cathedral has stunning interiors as well as exteriors, and every corner makes for beautiful pictures. There was a long queue to get into the Royal Palace. The Royal Palace of Madrid is the official residence of the Spanish royal family at the city of Madrid, although now only used for state ceremonies. The palace has 135,000 square meters of floor space and contains 3,418 rooms. It is the largest functioning royal palace and the largest by-floor area in Europe. Several rooms in this palace are regularly open to the public, except during state functions. Just walking around the outside of the royal palace was impressive. There is a vast courtyard behind elegant iron fencing. We paid the admission fee and went inside the palace. The main facade of the palace, the one facing the Plaza de la Armeria, consists of a two-story rusticated stone base from which rise Ionic columns on Tuscan pilaster framing the windows of the three main floors.
You're about to freak out, Mom.
¿Quieres?
We are at the San Miguel Market, Madrid. High quality culinary adventures abound in this wholesale food market, now one of the most important in Europe. Besides eating on site, you can buy wrapped and canned food.
¿Tienes uno? Y se acabaron, no sé.
Where's that chub?
This artisanal shop has offered traditional Spanish nuggets since 1775. Madrid was one of the liveliest cities we have been to, and a perfect blend of culture and modernity. From the food, markets, shopping, entertainment, Madrid is an incredible vacation spot for all ages. Such a pleasurable way to end our Spain adventures. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen.